Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat datang kembali di MMA Story. Islam Makhachev disinggung sebagai petarung yang katanya membosankan. Namun kalimat-kalimat tersebut biasanya hanya keluar dari fighter-fighter yang bertipikal striker dan tak mempunyai skill grappling yang baik. Mereka membuat statement pembelaan yang sama sekali tidak relevan dengan konteks MMA yang merupakan bela diri campuran. You gotta mix it, karena ini bela diri campuran, maka semua fighter dituntut untuk hebat di semua area pertarungan, baik saat stand up maupun di ground. MMA is MMA, bukan kickboxing, apalagi boxing dan juga bukan wrestling. Patokan keseruan sebuah pertarungan sebenarnya adalah aktivitas aksi yang padat, serta background sejarah dan atmosfer dari sebuah pertarungan. Pertarungan stand up sekalipun banyak sekali yang berlangsung membosankan, seperti halnya Adesanya di beberapa pertahanan gelarnya yang dikritik minim aksi dan hanya main kejar-kejaran. Islam Makhachev cenderung padat aksi karena harus mempertahankan dominasinya di atas oktagon. Dan bicara pay-per-view, penjualan pay-per-view Islam Makhachev versus Oliveira dikatakan Dana White sebagai pay-per-view terbesar di tahun 2022 ini, dan kabarnya menembus 1 juta pay-per-view. Lalu berikut mari kita bahas 5 pertarungan terseru dan penuh aksi dari Islam Makhachev. Di nomor 5, pertarungannya dengan Thiago Moises. Ini merupakan main event pertama Islam yang berlangsung 5 ronde. Thiago Moises ialah lawan yang cukup sulit Islam kalahkan. Rising star jebolan Dana White's contender ini mampu memaksa Islam bertarung hingga ronde keempat. Keduanya bertarung cukup sengit di setiap ronde. Namun setelah melalui banyak duel, Thiago Moises pun mampu Islam taklukkan di ronde keempat dengan rear naked choke.
Toyo Tires, the official tire of the UFC. Moises in white. Makhachev out of the southpaw a bit tonight.
Power behind.
Makhachev was quick to acknowledge the strength of schedule of Thiago Moises, but
Good win for the body lock and presses. Yeah, he's definitely got Thiago second guessing himself in there.
There it is, nicely done.
Islam has no problem with this. He'll stay here.
No,
elbow from Moises off of his back. That is the end of round 1.
here. Yeah. You know, there was almost no resistance when he actually fully went for the takedown.
Makhachev, by the way, historically, he ate a right hand there, but as hard to hit.
Combinations. Works.
First these days, too.
Here it is. Oh, interesting.
Hops to the side. Nice work there from Moises, but
Yeah, look at this.
he's going to shake him off. Nice work there from
It's
Makhachev.
great to have the wrist control and eliminate one of the arms. It stops Makhachev from landing.
You've got to have a sense of urgency because, you know, Islam Makhachev is obviously in control when you be.
That right hand
Look at
bounced
that.
Moises' head on the canvas. He gets him mounted late in the round.
Just the way he transitions. Look at this.
Lay 18-1.
And you know, I gotta say, I saw a look of defeat in the eyes of Thiago as he went back to his corner because
Yes, but it's one and done. Goes high there. Thiago Moises trying to rally here after a tough second. He's got great timing on those knees.
I was just about to say, he's got to go for it. He's got to do something. He's got the position. You know,
Islam glanced over the corner as if he was looking for Khabib to talk him through the sequence defensively.
That's a smart move right there.
yeah.
Yeah, I can. If I can weaken that knee going into the fourth.
But
Doors on ESPN Plus after we close this Makhachev Moises business here on ESPN. Just 11 significant strikes thus far.
had no circular footwork.
Oh, look at that.
And what's that going to do? You're a sitting duck waiting to
slam
be
him.
taken down.
Oh, wow.
You have to move. Now he's got a significant amount of time.
Oh, good elbow there.
stage.
Yep.
Yeah, he seems looks really good on his feet tonight as well.
He's going for something.
I can't see. He's got it.
Wow! How about it? Islam Makhachev gets the finish.
Davi Ramos. Davi merupakan juara dunia BJJ yang sedang dalam performa terbaiknya dengan 4 kemenangan beruntun. Ia begitu diperhitungkan. Davi Ramos menjadi lawan Islam di Abu Dhabi saat Khabib melawan Poirier. Duel berlangsung begitu seru dan memaksa pertarungan ditentukan oleh juri. Namun Islam mampu mendominasi dan mengungguli Ramos dan memenangkan pertarungan dengan decision.
Makhachev landing high.
You're almost waiting to go before he goes. It's like give one, take one, give one, take one. Against someone like Makhachev. Now Makhachev defends when the counter's not there because
Big right hand a moment ago while backing up. Ramos a little bit bloody now.
I didn't think Islam would really go for takedowns. I figured he would keep this fight on the feet. And that's what we've seen pretty much so far.
Good round for the Russian.
Oh, he gets him with the knee.
Huge knee. Ramos trying to recover. Oh, big punches.
Huge punches landing. These guys are going after it right now. Makhachev wants that, and that's what that lock on his legs is doing. Trying to get himself back together. Thus far. Islam pressuring his hips. Almost looks like he's got himself back together though. Yeah, they're going to be on the ground almost. They don't want to get the balance off, but the fence being there just really changes things. Plus, it's so slippery if it's the keys. It's really smart that he waited until this third round. Right here. Creating some space getting away from the fence will really help as well. So it's really limits you and keep your heads there.
Final seconds of the fight. Islam Makhachev looking to put the finishing touches on what would be his 7th UFC win in 8 tries. Outstanding effort.
29-27, 30-26, and 30-26 for the winner by unanimous decision, Islam.
Drew Dober datang dengan 3 winning streak KO dari Nasrat Haqparast, Hernandez, dan Reyes. Ia merupakan peng-KO ulung yang sedang naik daun. Pertarungannya dengan Islam berlangsung sangat seru, penuh aksi selama 3 ronde penuh.
Having this platform to
For the last year prepping for BJJ Black Belt the 8th. In a matchup against each
Spent a ton of time without being dead.
consistently
Omaha, Nebraska, Drew.
against Makhachev tonight.
When I watch this guy strike, I mean,
Very aware of the left hand of Dober. Beautiful signal there by
That's
Hawk.
big.
Yes,
That's big.
very easily.
Yeah.
Didn't get defended, wasn't extended, takedown finish. The strength of Khabib.
he's feeling the pressure of a real elite grappler on top of him right now.
And the difference is
What he's going to do here is try to get back up. Is he going to try to instigate a scramble? But he's still in deep doom here. I mean, he's just holding on. And Makhachev is completely controlled. Oh, Drew's up. Drew's up.
Oh, he's got to be
Oh,
careful.
lost it. Wow, that was his opportunity. Man, that's some high-level grappling right there.
Take the left foot of Dober.
Oh, look at that arm. Look at that roll. Oh, Drew's he's in big trouble.
Oh, he still got it, but
Leg. Now Drew's on top. Man. Slick transition.
Stay outside, stay outside.
Why so many people are so high on this young man.
All rounds begin on the feet. Dober trying to find a home for that patented left hand. Pursue another takedown. There's a single leg shot.
But now Drew Dober's arm. Now he knows how strong.
look at that. See that? It's all the trips.
Yeah.
It's all the trips.
He's close, but Makhachev's got his hands clasped underneath Dober's hip.
Stand up, but most elite.
But when you fight a guy that's such a fantastic grappler, right? You feel that guy and you realize, wow, this is much different than what I intended it to be.
Ramos. Right? Dami Ramos is one of the best jiu-jitsu guys in the sport, and Makhachev, yeah, that's what oh my,
Crushing elbows there from
Makhachev.
UFC. That's just the 7th strike landed by Dober tonight. Too easy.
Dober looked like he almost pulled guard there.
They sort of accept it.
Yes.
Well, we've seen it. He's trying real hard with his turn.
Seems like we've seen a change in strategy for Dober, trying to get offensive here off of his back.
Look at the shoulder pressure, though. Look at Dober's face.
Islam Makhachev submits Drew Dober.
Wow.
Favorite, of course, but
Arman disebut-sebut satu-satunya fighter yang paling bisa meladeni grappling dan wrestling Islam. Dan memang pertarungan keduanya berlangsung sangat seru dan sengit hingga akhir ronde ketiga. Keduanya menampilkan pertarungan grappling yang sangat aktif dengan teknik-teknik level tinggi yang spektakuler. Dan tentu saja pertarungan terseru Islam Makhachev ialah saat melawan Charles Oliveira untuk merebutkan lightweight champion. Oliveira ialah lawan terhebatnya sejauh ini. Meski hanya berlangsung 2 ronde, namun pertarungan mereka dipenuhi dengan aksi duel MMA yang komplit dan variatif. Stand up game, ground game, bahkan mind game pun terasa kental dimainkan. Islam benar-benar menunjukkan kelasnya di sini. Menangkan pertarungannya dengan finish di 5 pertarungan terakhirnya. Skill elitnya semakin terlihat jelas seiring meningkatnya level kompetisi yang ia jalani. Dan di pertahanan gelar pertamanya, level persaingannya pun langsung di setel di level tertinggi. Ia akan menghadapi Volkanovski, fighter terbaik UFC di semua divisi saat ini. Ranking 1 pound for pound UFC yang tak pernah kalah 1 ronde pun di tahun 2022 kemarin. Islam akan melangkah menuju level tertinggi kompetisi. Ia memperebutkan posisi terbaik dari yang terbaik di UFC. Namun tentu resikonya pun sangat besar. Volkanovski berada di puncak bukan tanpa alasan. Ia benar-benar sangat hebat. Dan tentu saja akan kita bahas pertarungan mereka di video selanjutnya. Oke brothers, itu saja ulasan kita kali ini. Jangan lupa subscribe MMA Story, channel Clapper Sport yang baru. Sampai jumpa lagi di video selanjutnya. Saya Permadi pamit. Sampai jumpa lagi. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.